Hello friends, welcome back to Blockchain Inside Out. Today is 1st April 2025. It's the new beginning in Sunflowerland. You can see in the top right corner the flower emoji. It's the SFL being changed into flower, and as you know they have promised that from 1st of April every SFL will be converted into flower, and that is also 1 is to 1, and from 1st of May you can withdraw your SFL. From April 1st to May 1st flower will replaces SFL in game, but withdrawal will be temporarily disabled for security reasons, right? And on May 1st flower withdrawals will be enabled and the token will be tradable on base. Stay tuned for update via official Sunflowerland things. And the thing is that if you have your flower, your SFL token in your MetaMask, that is also exchangeable, and that date is also given. You can read out here. I was checking. Yes, in July 2025, a custom smart contract will allow you to exchange SFL for flower at 1 is to 1. You will receive flower on Polygon. Perfect. Okay, so this is the scenario of flower. Now coming to the new starting. Why I told that new starting has, they have begun a new innings in Sunflowerland. What's that? If you click on your mailbox, Love Rush, if you click that, you can see on April 7th, the Love Rush event will begin. Complete deliveries, chores, and social tasks to earn love charm. Exchange your love charm for exclusive rewards and flowers. So, so far, whatever the task they were given, we were collecting those tokens in terms of appreciation, but those tokens are only for buying rare items from shop. But right now they have introduced Love Rush. This is also a token of appreciation. Whatever deliveries you will do, you will get tokens in terms of appreciation, your task. So they will give you Love Rush token. That's also a token. This will be look like that. And while you are coming for the first time, you must earn some Love Rush token. As I'm going to show you that I might receive some Love Rush token already. Let me check out where that is. Yes, this one is Love Rush token. I received. Look, love charm. Okay, a token of love from the community. And this was, usually we used to buy those rare items and try to sell out in marketplace, but from now onwards you can sell, you can exchange your love charm with flower token. For every 50 love charm token you will get one flower. I'm showing you the thing. This is the requirement, that if you keep on doing the task, if you keep on delivering the task to that bumpkins or to the goblins, you will get your love charms token of appreciation. And if you do gifts, you will get that much of love charms every time you will do it. And from 7th of April till 1st of till 4th of May. Yes, from May 4th the streak bonus will apply also to coin and ticket. Okay, from 7th of April till 4th of May you have to keep on doing chores and keep on delivering those things to collect love charms, and for 50 love charm you will get one flower token. That's a very nice thing. Well, chore bonus, are you hardworking pumpkin? If you complete the entire chore board 21 chores, you will earn a plus 100 love charm bonus. So if yes, timeline. Love Rush. April 7th to May 4th. Bonus rewards for players. From May 4th, Bumpkin NPC will no longer give love charms. Don't miss out on this limited time event. Start earning today. Will I always get one flower for 50 love charms? After July 1st, dynamic pool mechanics will start. This means the ratio will change based on burns and mints inside the game. So, before July 1st, you can convert your 50 love charms. Every 50 love charms, you can get one flower token. So, this is a very good opportunity to earn flower token as well. Don't miss out. Will NPC give rewards after love rush? After love rush, NPC will no longer give tokens, give love tokens. They will give chapter tickets and coins. As we have already seen that usually they have given so many tickets and things. You can see these are the tickets they are usually giving. Yes, these are the things they provide, and I got so many things, but I have never bought anything from the store or from the shop. And hopefully the Easter is coming in within 1 week or something nearer than that. We will get some Easter eggs and Easter event will start soon. I will definitely make a video on that too. But right now, this video is only for collecting love rush, and you can read out all the things what you have to do and how you can earn love charm, that love potion token of appreciation. If you do it every day, if you deliver in the if you fulfill the deliveries to Betty every day, you will get this amount of love rush token. So day 1 3, day 2 6, day 3 9, day 4 12, and day 5 15. So that's means you have to keep on streak. You have to maintain the streak. If you lose the streak, your streak will reset, and it will start with 3. So whenever you start doing that, you can do, and even from today you can do. And today is a special day. Today is 1st of April, and today is double delivery sorry double harvest day, cold day when hardy vegetables root crops prevails. Yes, and next week spring day will start, and that will be double delivery day next Tuesday. So today is double harvest day. I am waiting to get this harvest, this partnership. I was harvesting from last night. Within 12 minutes I will get it harvested, and then I will plant some more other crops, and let's see how I can do that. And what you have to do, you have to check out this delivery board, and you can go to those players and those bumpkins, so that you can deliver your things. Right now I can deliver to blacksmith. If I deliver 3 sea cucumber, I will get 324 tokens, 324 coins, and I guess some lavras is available. Let me check. If lavras is available from today, then I will start doing that. Else I will start from day I will start from April 7th, right? That's all, my friends. Hope you understood how you can keep on earning lavras, and you can exchange that lavras into flower token. Right now I am having 96 flower token, and hopefully this flower price will increase. Right now the flower price is estimate. 0.12 USD. Hopefully, it will increase, and the amount of flower token is limited, so the price will definitely go high. Thanks for watching. See you soon. And if you like this video, don't forget to smack the like button and share with your friends who are playing Sunflowerland. Bye.